What would it be like to slip a PocketTerm35 right into your pocket? This is a handheld computer built on Raspberry Pi, integrating a touchscreen, keyboard and battery, letting you access a complete Linux environment anytime, anywhere. In this video, we will walk you through the hardware assembly and software setup of the PocketTerm35 step by step. The PocketTerm35 is available in multiple versions. If you purchase the Pi 4 or Pi 5 edition, both come fully assembled with the system pre-installed. Simply press the power button to boot up, log in with your account and password, and you are ready to go. No need to follow the rest of this tutorial. That covers the basic product introduction. Now, let's move on to the official assembly guide. Before disassembly or reassembly, please remove the TF card first to prevent damage. Before you start, check all parts against the packing list and confirm everything is complete. The product we provide comes as a pre-assembled kit. You only need to unscrew 6 black PM 2.5x12 screws to remove the rear shell for convenient internal installation and debugging. Next, prepare the required cables. Connect the micro HDMI cable and USB Type-C cable respectively. Then use these two wires to link the main control board and the Raspberry Pi host. During installation, make sure the main board is precisely aligned with the copper studs. Keep cables away from copper studs and pin header to ensure stable contact, preventing misalignment and uneven stress. Then secure the Raspberry Pi to the PCBA with 4 round-headed screws. Before installing the battery, double-check that the Raspberry Pi board is correctly mounted to avoid short circuits caused by incorrect wiring. Connect the 5000 mAh battery to the PH 2.0 connector, and fix the battery in place with double-sided tape. If you are using a Raspberry Pi 5, first attach the silicone buttons to the side shell. Then connect the speaker to the 4-pin PH 1.25 port. Once connected, you can install the rear cover in 2 ways. Snap it on from top to bottom directly, or if it is awkward to operate, remove the button caps first, install the back cover, then reinstall the button caps. After finishing the above steps, fasten the 6 black PM 2.5x12 screws back onto the rear shell. Finally, install the corresponding baffle according to your Raspberry Pi model, and secure it with KM 2x5 black screws. This completes the entire hardware installation. You may double-check the overall assembly to ensure all parts are properly fitted. Now, let's move to the software configuration section. If you have the self-configurable version, first connect the TF card to your computer. Download and launch Raspberry Pi Imager to flash the corresponding system image. Once flashing is finished, copy the specified commands from our wiki. Open the config.txt file in the root directory of the TF card, and paste the content at the end of the file. Download and extract the DTBO file. Then copy the extracted .dbo file to the overlays directory at /boot/overlays/. Save the changes, safely eject the TF card, then insert it into the PocketTerm35 for normal use. If you find this configuration too cumbersome, we offer a second option. Flash our pre-configured Raspberry Pi image directly. Access the software setup document, where you can find the download link for the pre-built image on our wiki. After downloading the pre-installed image, connect the TF card to your computer and format it with SD formatter. Launch Win32 Disk Imager, select the pre-downloaded system image, and click Write to start flashing. When the write process completes, save changes, safely eject the TF card, insert it into the Raspberry Pi, and press the power button to boot and use the device. For more practical guides and creative projects, stay tuned to Waveshare.